Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Google Pixel 7a. To do this, we'll need to open the Google Play Store and here install app called Notify Buddy. When it's ready, launch it, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From here, the app is ready. We can see 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can enable any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can find all system-bound apps and basically do the same thing. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings, we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp, and it should be located right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.